This is Digital Scouting calling. Trends from around the world.
Of the voice angle. Now your voice command, so right now we go to the aggregators. I'm just giving you a small example. We have multiple aggregators out there and say, hey, you go out there, you find your credit card, you find your insurance company, find multiple things via the aggregator. I personally feel that element can be easily integratable. It can be easily integrated with the likes of these voice commands. So for example, tomorrow I'm saying that, hey, which is the best credit card for me? Now, as the device knows, I like to play golf, I like to travel, I like music, or whatever it may be, my likes and dislikes, my behavior, and all the data that the device has. The device can then comprehend and say, okay, so this is the MasterCard, for golf, or MasterCard for travel, which is best for you. Now, the reason why I'm saying this is basically now a voice command being able to bring in the right relevant propositions for you based on your actual real-time data. So if I say that, hey, which is the best credit card for me? Now, it's not the only credit card. So if I say it's the best credit card, the voice command would actually give me the best credit card based on my behavior.
Doesn't that actually mean that the voice is not only the death of the keyboard, but actually also the death of a lot of companies? Because now in Google search or in Amazon search, you have 10, 20, 30 products to see. In voice, it's maybe 1, 2, 3 maximum. So what happens in the long tail?
Laser shop. So basically, now let's understand this. We as humans are headed towards hyper-personalization. Yes. Not just personalization, hyper-personalization. So if a device is basically, or an AI is recommending me, this is the best possible thing for me based on all the historical data and the real-time data it has, my trust is there. It's basically reducing friction for me to choose from these multiple 10 options. I mean, I don't even want to choose from 10 options. If I have top 2 options, I'll choose from them. Hey, A or B, that's it, simple. Make my life simple.
Something, Robin, the same, Google is threatened by Siri. You know why? Because if I ask my app, my watch, or my phone a question, find me the best restaurant, find me the best insurance, it's not going to go on Google. It's going to go wherever Apple or whoever controls this gatekeeper tells him to go. So Google is in a very difficult position, because people will, through voice and personalization, as Namir beautifully said, will just speak to the watch or to the phone, and whoever controls it will tell them, okay, that's it.
But what does it mean for insurance?
Insurance is the same thing at the end,
So here, now let's connect the dots over here. Number one is that the simple form of insurance is going to be sold via these channels. Now, when it comes to a little complex product or far more complex products, then we're looking into the super agent discussion that we just had earlier on. So this is where these two things plug into. Simple products will be sold via these channels, simple, easy, straight through process, sold.
Namir, it's like when we travel, everyone books his flights himself. But if you go to a safari, you take your travel agent.
Yeah.
Great. Yeah, makes sense. Fantastic.
I should do that.
I'm just repeating what you said, but which always I try to tell those the audience or companies, I always try to find examples from their lives, away from technology. Things that I know they use.
Makes a lot more relevant.